Hello guys, this is an M365 Pro scooter by Xiaomi, and we'll be doing a rear brake adjustment for a rubbing that occurs without even pushing the brake, and this actually slows the top speed down for me as well. And if you look through, you'll see the pad close to me, which actually is triggered by the brake lever, is like a half a millimeter off, and the pad inside is rubbing straight onto the disc. So in order to fix this, what we'll do is we'll use two Allen keys, one of them being 5mm and the other one being 2.5mm. And what we'll do is we'll actually loosen this key with a 2.5mm, and once we're done, we'll actually use the 5mm to adjust where the brake pad sits, and that's it. Alright guys, step one, we go here with the Allen key, plug in our 2.5mm key, hopefully it fits, it'll fit. So we rotate it counterclockwise, and notice it's actually kind of loose, so maybe that's why it kind of slid in time, I assume. So I loosen this up. And next step, I take my 5mm Allen key. That's actually on the screw currently, right here. And I go in right here. Plug it in and turn it. So right now, I actually rotate it counterclockwise. And if you can see the distance, it actually loosened up and the wheel is turning freely. So that's what I want. So next step, with the 2.5mm key that's actually already inserted, I'll tighten this up. If I can actually grab the key. So probably for the manufacturer, it didn't come fully tightened, so it probably loosened up because I was doing high speeds with this, like 32, 34 kilometers per hour. It's aluminum, so you don't want to tread rip it. So get rid of such, and that's it. Voila! So free rotating rear wheel. So this will probably add like a kilometer or more, 2 kilometers more in speed per hour more. That's it.